What if I told you $1 a day could change your life? Not $100, not 1,000, just $1. Most people hear that and laugh. But by the end of this video, you won't be laughing. Because the math behind this is genuinely shocking. Let's start simple. $1 a day is $30 a month. $30 a month is $360 a year. Now, if you just saved that in a piggy bank under your bed, after 10 years, you'd have $3,600. Not bad. But also, not exciting. Here's where it gets interesting. What if instead of hiding it under your mattress, you invested it? To understand what happens next, you need to understand one concept. It's called compound interest, and Albert Einstein reportedly called it the eighth wonder of the world. Here's how it works. You invest money. That money earns interest. Then that interest also earns interest. And then that interest earns even more interest. It's money making money, making money, making money forever. The longer you leave it, the more violently it grows. This is called exponential growth, and your brain is not wired to understand it. We think in straight lines. Compound interest grows in curves. Okay, let's plug our $1 a day into the real world. The S&P 500, America's top 500 companies, has historically returned about 10% per year on average. So let's use 10% as our number. Year 1, you invest $360. With 10% returns, you now have $396. Year 2, you add another $360. Plus your existing money grows. You're now at nearly $800. Year 3, over $1,200. Year 5, you've put in $1,800 of your own money, but your account shows over $2,300. The gap between what you put in and what you have is starting to grow. Year 7, you've invested about $2,500. Your account? Nearly $3,600. Year 10, you have invested exactly $3,650 of your own money, and your account balance is $6,300. That's almost double. From $1 a day and 10% patience. But wait, here's where most people stop the math, and that's a huge mistake. What if you just didn't stop at 10 years? What if you kept going for 20 years total? You would have invested $7,300 of your own money, but your account would show $20,000. You nearly tripled your money. With $1 a day. Okay, now I'm going to show you something that will genuinely break your brain. 30 years, $1 a day, 10% average return. You put in $10,950 over 30 years. Your account balance, $66,000. $1 a day. Your money worked harder than you did. Now here's the twist nobody talks about. The people who got rich from compound interest started early. The people who stayed broke waited. If you start at age 22 and invest $1 a day until you're 65, you retire with over $400,000. If you wait until age 32 just 10 years later and do the exact same thing, you retire with $150,000. Same $1 a day, same 10%. The only difference? 10 years. 10 years of waiting cost you $250,000. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. You don't need to be rich to invest. You just need to start. Open an index fund account. Set up a $1 a day auto invest. Forget about it. Future, you will be absolutely shocked at what past you did today. If this video changed how you think about money, subscribe, because we're just getting started.